The benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds, native to Mexico, were already eaten by the Aztecs and Mayans. Their nutritional richness makes them the star of new healthy recipes. It is recommended to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, a short guide to all the benefits of chia seeds. They are richer in calcium than milk. Chia seeds contain higher levels of calcium, magnesium and potassium than milk. While it is true that the seeds are consumed in smaller portions than milk, 100 grams still contains 631 milligrams of calcium compared to 120 milligrams for whole UHT milk or 245 milligrams for camembert. They contain omega-3. Chia seeds are very rich in omega-3 and, in particular, in alpha-linolenic acids, ALA, an essential fatty acid essential for good cardiovascular functioning. They contain 17.8 grams, 100 grams, which is much more than what is included in oily fish such as smoked mackerel, 0.83 grams, 100 grams, sardines, 0.77 grams, 100 grams, or smoked salmon, 0.24 grams, 100 grams. Barely 10 grams per day can cover 100% of daily alpha-linolenic needs. Note: to fill up on omega-3, it is preferable to grind the chia seeds to make them bioavailable for better absorption and assimilation, because the omega-3 are in some ways encapsulated in the fibers and grinding them will release them. They are sources of protein. With 16.5 grams of protein per 100 grams, chia seeds are a good source of protein. But the exciting thing is that it is a complete protein. Indeed, chia seeds contain the 9 essential amino acids which allow the constitution of proteins, explains the nutritionist. Few of the plant ingredients combine these 9 amino acids. The proteins in chia seeds are sufficient on their own, no need to mix them with another cereal. They have fibers to regulate transit. Chia seeds are good for gut health. Thanks to their fiber content, 34.4 grams, 100 grams, they help regulate transit. However, care must be taken to soak them to make them more digestible. They are a good appetite suppressant. Chia seeds have mucilaginous properties, they swell and turn into a gel on contact with a liquid. They can absorb up to 15 times their weight in water, which affects feelings of hunger. They regulate blood sugar. The gel that chia seeds form when soaked in liquid slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps regulate blood sugar. The assimilation of fibers slows down digestion and absorption of sugars. This reduces blood sugar peaks, explains the professional. They help to lose weight. Immersed in a liquid, chia seeds form a viscous gel that can, for example, replace eggs in vegan recipes. An asset that has long won over veggies. They improve blood pressure. According to a 2014 study, 35 grams of chia seeds per day for 12 weeks would reduce the blood pressure of subjects suffering from hypertension. It is the ally of athletes. Carbohydrates, proteins, potassium, chia seeds are of more interest to athletes. Athletes seek to control their blood sugar during exercise. Chia seeds help slow the assimilation of glucose from food and, therefore, gradually provide energy to the body.